Yeah, show me what you just showed me.
Okay. Hi guys, here's our internal document for every QC report. We have a very unique serial number for each board. It's very little. It's very little. You can see that. It's a serial number that for each board. So every board needs to be tested fully through our audio precision test procedure, assigned by the QC personnel, and with all these items on every interface of the input, on every interface of the output, including some have the balance, some have single-ended, some have the headphone output, everything. And after that, we assign it in detail on our internal QC paper. And Eric's doing that now.
Yeah, Eric's our guy who does all of the QC for this round of Geek Pulses. This board that he's working on right now is what we call internally the GPU. This is Geek Pulse without femto clock or internal amp upgrade. And Eric, walk us through how you step through the test here.
Okay, so start filling out the QC sheet, and then I start connecting all the cables.
Power.
Got
Right.
power, headphone jack, toslink, SP diff, AES, USB, and the line out. And then we connect our matrix control board.
The control board we call the matrix board. Right?
Power it up. Make sure the input is set correctly to USB. And then I'll start the test.
How long does it take to test each board?
About 3 minutes.
And the test is all pre-programmed and everything?
Yeah, right now I'm testing the headphone. It'll prompt me to change to the line out.
So on the headphone, what specifically are you testing for?
We're doing levels, checking levels, voltage levels, noise, crosstalk, signal to noise ratio, THD.
Yeah. We set roughly about, for the total, I think we set more than 100 items for each board.
Okay. And the test is really easy to run. Just prompts will pop up, tell you connect this one, change the input.
Who programmed the test?
I did.
Yeah!
Okay, and this.
So you're switching over to AES?
Yes. Okay, SP diff one.
Larry, what's your confidence level as far as the pass-fail rate once we get them in?
I think the first beginning, that's normal. We will have a little bit higher failure rate, but after that, we pass the QC, it won't have any. I have confidence for that.
So with Geek Out, for example, because this was the last major run that we made during the crowdfunding campaign, the initial batches, what was the fail rate coming out of the assembly line? And what is it?
I remember initially it's about 7.5%. And after that, it keep going lower and lower, and the end is less than 1% from the assembly line. Oh, by the way, I want to say something. Eric says 3 minutes. For the rest of us, I think we need 30 minutes. He's fast. All passed.
All passed.
So the whole thing gives you the nice fancy little thumbs up, and it's set to go. It goes over to final assembly into Kelly's crew, I guess. Huh?
Yes.
All right.